The workplace is changing at exponential speed. With this whole COVID-19 pandemic, it brought a lot of changes from remote working to remote diagnosis to remote monitoring and everything remote. What is the future of the workplace? How will people interact with each other? How will people transform and be empowered to do the work that they are doing? Well, you're about to find that out on this course. Hi, I'm Deshan and I'm a digital transformation consultant. I have first class honors for my bachelor's degree in applied information technology, and I also have a distinction for my master's degree in technology management. Well, this is the value that you're going to get from this course. Well, first we're going to talk about the workplace and the work environment. So we're going to classify workers, things like blue collar workers, white collar workers, green collar workers, and much more. Moving on, we're going to look at a few key insights and market trends about the workplace and the work environment. So what are the changes that's happening in real time? What are the new innovations? What are new practices? Things like that. Moving on, we're going to talk about the challenges of the traditional workplace. So what's hindering our productivity, hindering our efficiency, and that sort of a thing. Moving on, we're going to talk about the opportunities for innovation. So how can we bring innovation into the workplace to accelerate its growth, increase its productivity and efficiency? Next, we can talk about something very interesting. It's called Industry 4.0. It's this whole new technological revolution that's changing the world right now. So we're going to talk about what Industry 4.0 is and what the Industry 4.0 environment is. Moving on, we're going to talk about something very interesting as well. It's called cyber physical systems. So these are smart systems which are able to self-organize, self-optimize and self-learn with minimum human intervention. So we're going to talk about the benefits of it, the characteristics of it, as well as the drawbacks of it. Moving on, we're going to talk about the impact of Industry 4.0 on the workplace and the work environment. So we're going to talk about how Industry 4.0 technologies, tools, techniques and methods will transform the traditional workplace. Next, we're going to talk about a few innovative startups and businesses who are actually using Industry 4.0 technologies, tools, techniques and methods to increase their productivity, accelerate innovation, increase their efficiency and that sort of a thing. So we're going to discuss game-changing players out there who are disrupting the entire industry. Moving on, we're going to talk about the barriers of implementation. So what's holding us back from implementing Industry 4.0? And finally, we're going to talk about the drivers of implementing Industry 4.0. So what's driving us, pushing us and accelerating us to implement Industry 4.0? Since this course covers a lot of aspects on the future of work, the Workplace 4.0, this course is recommended for any professional with a job. Also, if you're a company owner who's planning to revitalize their company, add more growth and take the company to another level, this course is recommended for you too. And also, if you're still an undergraduate or someone who's learning to be a part of the employment and things like that, this course is recommended for you too, because you will understand the opportunities that lies ahead of you. Well, that's the value that you're going to get from this course. I'll see you on the first lecture.